Hello, my name is James, and I'm going to talk through how to start using the new script file items in Oasys Reporter. Until now, Reporter has not had an efficient way to share common user-written JavaScript code across templates. Script items require that common JavaScript code be embedded in each and every template in which the code is to be used. Changes to the common script in one template must be copied across to all others. These changes must be made within the script item editor in Reporter or be copied in from an external editor. To help address these issues, a new script file item has been added to Reporter. Script file items point to an external JavaScript file. Changes can be made to the external JavaScript file without requiring updates to individual templates. Any external editor can be used for making these changes. This should make it far easier to share code between templates and eliminate the burden of needing to update multiple templates whenever that code needs to be modified. Script file items are particularly useful for defining common functions at the start of your template generation sequence, allowing these functions to be used in subsequent scripts. In the example shown here, the first script file item we generate contains some common functions and global variables, which the later two scripts can then make use of. If we need to modify these global functions in any way, we can do so in an external editor, and the changes will be picked up the next time we generate the template. If there is any part of our JavaScript that we specifically only want to run once, e.g. if it includes definitions using the let or const keywords, we can easily accommodate for this using script file items. In the example shown here, I only want the code in my first two script file items to be executed once. We can make sure this happens by generating the script file items inside of another script, which is set to run automatically when the template is first opened, using the checkbox shown in the edit window. In this script, we generate the script file items containing the function definitions we want, then set their active property to false so they cannot be generated a second time. When generating items only once in this manner, it doesn't matter where they appear in Reporter's item generation order. I like to place them all at the top in the order in which they are generated by the run-on-load script, with the run-on-load script then separating them from the rest of the items on the page. The new Euro NCAP far-side Impact 2022 template for Reporter uses 5 script file items linked to the external scripts highlighted here. Opening these in an external editor allows you to access all the features of your preferred editor for making quick changes to your template scripts. Although these scripts have only been used in the far-side Impact template so far, you can see that this script for presenting options to save a report is an excellent candidate for common code that could be deployed to other templates via script file items in the future. To summarize, script file items can be used to point to an external JavaScript file similar to the use function or JavaScript modules in Primer, thiss, and dfreeplot, to split up large scripts or share common functions, and to enable you to modify and update your template scripts easily using your preferred external editor. Thank you.